After 40, belly fat doesn't appear overnight. It accumulates quietly, an inch this year, another next year, until suddenly your center of gravity changes. Energy drops, clothes fit differently, confidence shifts. But here's what most Americans don't realize. You can interrupt that trend if you send your body the right signal. Free exercises. That's it. And no, they're not crunches. They're not 2-hour cardio sessions. And they're definitely not starvation dieting. They're strategic movements designed for how your body actually works after 40. Let's talk about what's really happening. By the time most Americans hit 40, life looks different. More responsibilities, more sitting, more stress, less sleep. At the same time, something biological begins to shift. Muscle mass starts declining gradually, even if your weight stays the same. Insulin sensitivity weakens slightly, recovery slows, and stress hormones linger longer in your bloodstream. That combination changes how your body partitions energy. Instead of burning excess fuel efficiently, your system becomes more likely to store it, especially around the abdomen. Not because your body is broken, but because it's adapting. The problem is most people don't adapt with it. They double down on old strategies that worked in their 20s. More running, more crunches, less food. But after 40, prevention is about signaling, not suffering. So let's talk about the first signal your body needs. If you want to prevent belly fat after 40, your number one priority is preserving muscle. And not just any muscle, your lower body. Your glutes and thighs are the largest muscle groups in your body. When activated consistently, they dramatically improve how your body handles glucose. Better glucose control means less insulin spike. Less insulin spike means less abdominal fat storage. Exercise number 1, controlled squats or sit to stand. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower slowly, about 3 seconds down. Pause briefly. Push up with control. No bouncing. No rushing. 12 reps, 3 rounds. If body weight feels easy, hold light dumbbells. This movement sends a powerful message. Maintain muscle. Stay metabolically active. And that signal protects your midsection long term. Not because it burns massive calories in the moment, but because it improves how your body processes energy for the next 24 hours. That's strategic training. Exercise number 2, structured brisk walking. Here's something most 40-plus Americans overlook. Chronic stress is one of the strongest drivers of belly fat. Deadlines, family pressure, financial concerns, digital overload. And when stress hormones stay elevated, your body becomes more likely to store fat centrally. That's why high-intensity workouts every single day can backfire. Instead, incorporate structured brisk walking, not casual strolling, not checking email, purposeful walking, 25 to 30 minutes. Heart rate moderately elevated, breathing controlled. Research consistently shows moderate steady-state movement improves fat oxidation and reduces cortisol levels. Lower cortisol equals reduced abdominal fat storage risk. It's simple, it's sustainable, and sustainability wins after 40. After 40, even moderate fat gain can look more dramatic because deep core muscles weaken from prolonged sitting. When these stabilizing muscles lose tone, posture collapses, pelvis tilts forward, the abdomen protrudes. The result? Your belly looks larger than it actually is. That's why endless crunches don't fix the issue. They target surface muscles, not the stabilizers. Exercise number 3, the dead bug or bird dog. Let's use the dead bug. Lie on your back, arms extended toward the ceiling, knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly extend opposite arm and leg. Pause. Return. Alternate sides. Move slowly. This activates the transverse abdominis, the deep abdominal muscle that acts like a natural corset. Strengthening this layer improves posture and reduces outward abdominal pressure. Over time, this creates a flatter appearance, even before significant fat loss occurs. Structure influences shape, and after 40, structure matters. If you're serious about preventing belly fat after 40, Stop relying on excessive crunches, extreme calorie restriction, high-intensity workouts 7 days a week. Those approaches increase stress load, and increased stress load increases fat retention. Your metabolism after 40 responds better to strength stimulus, moderate consistent movement, adequate recovery. It's not dramatic, but it works. Think long-term. After 40, belly fat doesn't explode in 1 year. It creeps. That means prevention must also be consistent, not extreme. 3 strength sessions per week, daily brisk movement, core stability work built into your routine. That combination interrupts the upward trend. And that's the real goal. Not a six-pack in 30 days, but avoiding 5 extra inches over the next decade. That's powerful. If you're over 40 in America today, you're balancing more than ever. Career, family, health, responsibilities. Your training needs to reflect that reality. 3 movements. Consistency, lower stress, preserve muscle. Because after 40, the midsection isn't controlled by willpower. It's controlled by strategy. And when you send your body the right signal, the slow creep of belly fat doesn't have to be your future. Start now, not aggressively, intelligently, because prevention after 40 isn't about fighting your body. It's about working with it. Stay consistent.